Every morning, we're greeted by our backyard crows and ravens screaming for breakfast, like full-on bird brunch demands. And honestly, we love it. So much that we started wondering, what if one of them could talk? Well, wonder no more. Blackfeather is a cozy, chaotic, and totally crow-filled adventure game where your new best friend is a sassy, talking bird, and together, you're off to save the world. You're just a regular traveler, chilling in a mystical forest, when BAM! A talking crow dive bombs into your life. Why? Because some creepy forest zombie thing has stolen its eggs, and if they hatch near the undead, say goodbye to the forest, and possibly your Wi-Fi. Yikes. So what do? You team up, of course. Your feathered friend helps you fly over obstacles, literally. Just grab on tight and let the bird do the heavy lifting. Now, that's teamwork. And speaking of teamwork, this game is super social, like bring your whole crew kind of social. Sure, you can go it alone, but it's way more fun with friends. Battling zombies and rock monsters, solving puzzles, and lifting giant treasure chests? All easier and way funnier with backup. Some parts even require multiple players. Want that enormous chest of gold? Bring a buddy, because one person can't carry it all. See that giant pie? That's a 2-player feast minimum. And yes, there are leaderboards too. Because who doesn't want to brag about saving the forest with a talking crow? So if you're into cozy vibes, quirky characters, and saving the world through the power of friendship, Blackfeather is the game for you. Now, if only our backyard crows wanted to go on an adventure.